Have you ever wondered how colors mix together or how bubbles form and float? Today, we're going to explore some simple and fun science experiments that you can do right at home. Let's get started with a color mixing experiment. You will need 3 cups of water, food coloring in red, blue, and yellow, and a spoon. First, fill each cup halfway with water. Then, add a few drops of red food coloring to the first cup, blue to the second cup, and yellow to the third cup. Now, watch what happens when you mix these primary colors. Take a spoon and mix a little red and yellow together in a new cup. What color do you see? That's right, orange. Now try mixing blue and yellow. Look, it's green. Lastly, mix red and blue to get purple. Isn't it amazing how different colors appear? This is because primary colors combine to create secondary colors. Now let's move on to creating bubbles. You'll need a bowl, water, dish soap, and a straw. Pour some water into your bowl and add a bit of dish soap. Stir it gently to mix. Now take your straw, dip one end into the soapy water, and blow gently through the other end. Watch as the bubbles magically form. The soap in the water traps air inside, creating bubbles that are light enough to float. Try experimenting with different amounts of soap to see how it changes the size and strength of your bubbles. But remember, always blow gently, or you might pop the bubbles before they form. Science is all about exploring and having fun, and these experiments show that amazing things can happen with just a few simple ingredients. Whether you're mixing colors or blowing bubbles, you're learning about chemistry and physics in a fun and safe way. So grab your supplies and get started on your own scientific adventure today.